So this chassis is missing the top. We used to call it shell. So we're going to get these shells from my storage to make this complete train engine. Let's go! Oh, before I forget, I gotta take duck, custom Timothy Ghost engine and Crovan. I gotta drop off this to the post office.
What is that? That was a crashed image. That was a
Alright, so we are back. Now we can put either cross-shaped duck or just a regular standard duck. This is Play-Doh. Alright, first I gotta test the motor. So I don't know where I left my C batteries, so I'm gonna put this AA. Okay, it's working. And looks like the gear it's broke, so I gotta change the axle gear, but it's working. And now I don't know if this Tomy 1996 should take just a standard face or close shape face. Oh, no, I'm sorry, I mean now I don't know if this Tomy 1996 duck should be with a standard face or a close-shaped duck. I have no idea. So both bodies fit right. So let me know, guys, in the comments if any of these is specific Tomy engine. Any of these are specific for this Tomy or Mattel. I don't know. I'm just a sailor, so I have no clue. If I found one of these, I just put any body or shell. Anyways, thanks for watching.